Hey everyone! Welcome back to Free Tech Guide. In today's video, I'll show you tips on how to unblock unknown calls on an iPhone with some important settings. Let's get started. 1. Turn off silence unknown callers. First, open the Settings app and scroll down until Apps and tap on it. Next, find the Phone settings and tap on it. Under Phone settings, find the option Silence unknown callers. If it's enabled, toggle it off. This will allow calls from all numbers, including those not saved in your contacts. 2. Check Blocked Contacts list. Next, head back to the Phone settings and tap on Blocked Contacts. Here, you'll see a list of all numbers and contacts you've blocked. To unblock a specific contact or number, swipe left on it and tap Unblock. 3. Turn off Do Not Disturb settings. Next, make sure Focus or Do Not Disturb isn't stopping the calls. Open the Settings app, scroll down and go to Focus. After that, choose the Active Focus mode, such as Do Not Disturb. Next, tap on People section, tap People, and remove any selected contacts by toggling them off. This will ensure calls are not restricted to specific people. Now, scroll down, tap on Set a Schedule, and delete any active schedule. Now, calls won't be blocked by Focus or Do Not Disturb. 4. Disable spam call identification and blocking apps. Delete unwanted installed call blocking apps from your iPhone home screen or disable the app from Settings. Now, open the Settings app and scroll down until Apps and tap on it. Next, find the Phone settings and tap on it. Under Phone settings, find the option Call Blocking and Identification. In this section, toggle off any settings like call identification or live caller ID lookup linked to these apps. 5. Contact your carrier. Sometimes your carrier may block unknown calls at the network level. To fix this, open the Phone app, call your carrier's customer service, and confirm that no settings on their end are blocking unknown numbers. And that's it. Now you know how to easily unblock unknown calls on your iPhone. If this video helped you, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it, and subscribe to Free Tech Guide for more tech tips.